to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm news.
Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. We're here at day one at InfoComm 2026. I'm here at the Xyte booth. I'm here with Zach Bright, who's Channel Sales Manager for Xyte. What exactly does Channel Sales Manager do? You're selling software.
I know, so that means I head up our channel efforts with all of our integrator partners.
Okay.
So throughout the whole world, folks are looking to get up to speed on the remote management and monitoring side of things, so I help onboard all of our partners.
Yeah, and you've got a deep history in AV because your dad actually launched Mitsubishi's commercial division, I don't know, 40 years ago at least, put them on the map, and then he ran Kramer for many years. So there's a lot of expectations behind this that you know what you're doing, but you're at it's interesting, you're at probably one of the most cutting edge companies in the industry, because they're doing a cloud-based management of assets and rooms and devices, and AI management of those. Which, by the way, we're going to go around and shoot individual videos at each of these workstations that we're going to stop by really quick. This is just simply a quick booth tour. If you want to see any of those videos, go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm and type in Xyte in the video search window. So I'm going to turn it over to you, Zach. Where are we going to start?
Yeah, Gary.
Well, actually, why don't you do one thing first?
Sure.
For those people that might not know what Xyte is,
okay,
do the elevator pitch.
Yep, so Xyte is a cloud-based, AI-powered remote management and monitoring tool. So in an AV world of all these connected devices, when you start talking about single pane of glass, we bring all of these manufacturers into one place for a true single pane of glass.
Yeah, so which means that through one monitor, one display, you can manage all the devices, all the rooms, all the systems that you've installed for a particular client.
Yep. Exactly.
And you can charge for that, which is really nice. So, all right. So obviously you're demonstrating how your software works, which is, obviously cloud-based.
Yep.
So a lot of the time that you spend in these workstations is really explaining the features and the functions and how do you leverage it as an integrator.
Yeah, so a lot of our conversation is around the ability to...
let her go in and shoot that while you're talking.
Sure, yeah. So the ability to empower our channel partners, end users, consultants, to be able to truly manage all of these great AV logos throughout our industry. So in the past, manufacturers might have a dedicated cloud platform or no cloud at all. We help folks with the management, visibility into spaces, which in turn helps folks make empowered decision making, and then also increases uptime, and in the end is cost savings for the end users. And
so ultimately the manufacturers have partnered with you to gain access to all the devices, and it's easy if they're all on the network, but if they're not all network devices, you're also part of the Open AV Cloud initiative, I guess I'd say, to basically make an API available for all devices so that you can control them.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. We live in a world where, dedicated hardware, and now everything, obviously, over the years have been moved to the cloud, onto the network. We need to be able to remotely manage those. So we help empower our users to be able to make those changes, also be able to push, whether it's firmware updates, remotely manage, monitor, take actions, and then in turn, make informed decision making.
All right, and then what do we have over here? Obviously this is very popular, this station over here.
Yeah, so this is one of our more popular features right now. So, obviously throughout the show, AI is a big talking point. What we're showing here is our CLI, which is the agent-to-agent communication. So we're finding a lot of large enterprises they live within their, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, enterprise accounts. So they tie their Xyte instance into their own AI, whether it's Claude, whatever. Now they can sit here and really make customized reporting. They want to run dashboards, so you don't even have to sit within the Xyte platform. You can get very granular, customizable reporting. So I can run fleet reports, what's working and what's not.
So ultimately, with this, what I understand as well, is that you can leverage off-the-shelf AI or an internal custom AI agent as well.
Exactly.
And you connect the two together.
Yep, exactly.
So that if they have, let's say it's a government install or financial install where they don't want any of the data outside, it lives on-prem inside their own AI platform.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, all right. So to do that, they contact you, you partner with them and help them solve that problem.
Yep.
Yeah, and that's Xyte.ai, Xyte.ai. Like I said, we're going to go around and shoot individual product videos. See those, go to rAVepubs.com/InfoComm, type in Xyte in the video search window. And it was great to meet you. I haven't seen you since you were in like literally middle school or high school.
Well, apparently I didn't have a choice when it came to the AV industry. I kind of fell into it,
Yeah.
but once you're in, you're not getting out.
That's
so
right, you're right.
It's been a great ride.
Yeah, all right, great. Thanks for joining us. We've got a lot more InfoComm coverage to go to rAVepubs.com.